The Kerala High Court addressed a crucial question regarding whether a tenant who has failed to pay rent can still seek an injunction to prevent eviction. This issue arose in several cases where tenants had filed suits seeking injunctions against eviction without paying due rent. The court examined the legal obligations of tenants under the Transfer of Property Act 1882 and the Kerala Buildings Lease and Rent Control Act 1965. The court held that a tenant is not entitled to seek an injunction from eviction without performing their obligation to pay rent. It emphasized that paying rent is a fundamental and statutory obligation of a tenant, and failure to do so goes against the basic principles of a lease agreement. The court ruled that, if a tenant approaches the court seeking protection from forcible eviction without paying the agreed rent, they are not entitled to equitable relief. To ensure uniformity in dealing with such cases, the court issued guidelines requiring tenants to submit an affidavit stating that rent has been paid up to the month prior to filing the case. If the tenant fails to deposit rent arrears even after being given time by the court, their pleadings may be struck off under Section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure. The court stressed that continuing such proceedings without paying rent amounts to an abuse of the legal process and harassment of the landlord. The High Court's decision underscores the importance of tenants fulfilling their primary obligation of paying rent before seeking equitable relief from the courts. It provides crucial guidance for lower courts on handling tenancy disputes and balancing the rights of tenants with the interests of landlords. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.